Wesley, what does a pig say? Wesley, what does a sheep say? What does the sheep say? What does the cat say? What does the cow say? What does a bird say? Beep, beep, beep. What does a lion say? Roar. What does a bear say? That's what the bee says. Bees. What does a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. That is a frog. You are so smart. What does a duck say? That is a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Where's the pig? Where's the sheep? Where's the sheep? Where's the cow? Yeah, there is a cow right there.